It's me, Dee Sparta, and today I've got spiritual goodies unboxing. I missed a month, and that was really sad. It was all because I had to update my credit card number with a new number, and did get it done in time. So getting this box, I'm so excited because I always love what's in here. Now this box is $39.95, if I remember correctly, or yeah, plus shipping and handling. Okay, so it's not like Tamed Wild where it's, you know, it's like 20 some odd, $22. There's a little more, but yeah, do get a good bang usually for this book. And if you hear, sorry that there's construction going on in one of my neighbors, and yeah, we're just gonna deal. So today I open up the box. You do get this card that says, I am open to the magic that each day brings. That's I guess that's the theme for this month of November, and I love the colors. Oh, yeah, I'm holding it upside down. So every spiritual goodies book, that's me. Every spiritual goodies box does come with this pamphlet that it gives you meditation, it highlights a teacher, gives you ideas on, you know, it gives you other self-help things or just rituals and such that you can do. And it has also in here the contents of the box, what it is, how much it costs, and in great detail, which is usually nice. So let's dive in and see what we got. Ooh, we got this, of course. All right, the first thing I pull up is this is Midnight Blue Spell Flash Paper. And yeah, you open it up, and there's little tiny peppers in here. There we go. Now, this is $4. You use this paper to write your intention or whatever you want to manifest. And once you're ready, light one corner. It'll burn instantly with no smoke or ash. This is really handy because I use other paper and it's not always, you know, there's smoke, there's ash. Yeah. So it tells you how to do a ritual, getting grounded and clearing your mind, get grounded and clear of your intent before starting this ritual. Literally sit down or stand firmly with both feet on the ground for a few moments until you feel present and grounded. And those are just grounding techniques, and they go on, and there's several papers in here. I think about 4 or 5 or so. Yeah. That's cute. I like this. And you have the website so you know where to go to get it. Yay. What else am I going to pull out? Oh, yes. Toe Talk Mind Body Socks. I love the socks I get in these packets. So these socks, I love sockies. Life is a journey. Embrace It socks are $12.75. These socks are comfortable and lightweight for a grounded with the earth kind of feel. They have non-slip grips to improve traction, balance, and stability. Trust me, I like balance and stability. Oh yeah, when I try and walk. Well, I can't see. I have no depth perception, and it's a mess, you know. I want to open this up and see the sockies. Well, they come in this, and then they have another package. Okay, and each pair purchased is $1 donated. Simply log onto our website to choose which charitable mission. And we can, some of them are the Nature Conservancy, Best Friends Animal Society, Save the Children, Stand Up to Cancer Foundation, Hazelden Betty Ford Foundation, FINCA International, and Bright Pink. So that's cool. I will definitely be logging in. Now, he comes in this cute little tiny package. Oh. I'm going to have to untie this somehow. There we go. I can figure these things out. You know, I forgot to put my glasses on. That's why I'm like, why is everything just blurred? Yeah. Oh, look at these. And they're, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, these are the little non-grip. Oh, I love this. I'm going to be wearing these. Like, I have to get them in the wash, and then, yeah, I'm going to wear them ASAP. Look at the ankle part. That, and they're thick. Look at this, and they're soft. I'm going to be happy. My feet will be nice and happy and warm and toasty. Let's see what else we got in here. Oh, how much? Yeah, I did say $12.75, right? Okay, and I think this is a crystal. Okay, it's a rainbow moonstone. I love moonstones, and this is a rainbow one. It's $6.25. Anyone who needs to calm the mind, relax the spirit, and tap into intuition will enjoy rainbow moonstone. Yeah, I heard this is good for intuition. Can't wait to charge this one up. Oh, it is so beautiful. Rainbow moonstone is such a pretty stone, and it feels so nice. So yeah, I am really happy to have gotten this. This is great. I like to add to my collection. How many of y'all have lots of crystals? I should do a video on crystals and which ones do what and what they're for, because I think we don't always know what this crystal is and what it does, and I want to do something about that. If you like that idea, comment down below and like this video to let me know. We can't. What else have I got in here? Inked by Danny temporary tattoos. Oh, these are fun. Look at these. These are just temporary, but you know what? I like them. And these are fun. This is Luck and Magic or Ivory Pack. I think I got the luck one. Yes, I got lucky. So these are temporary tattoos, are unique hand-drawn wearable art and perfect way to express yourself. And this is $12, and it's from Inked by Danny. How nice. I could use some luck, let me tell you. All right. There's more in here. Ooh, this one. Oh, wow. Herbal salt bath ritual, ancient soaking technique for deep healing of the mind, body, and soul. You know, I'm going to do this today. I'm going to slide in my bath, use some of this, and just, I mean, my wife and I, we do use like Epsom salts and Himalayan salt in our bath. But this, I'm so happy to get more because we've gone through so much. I think we are out. This bath salt is $20. It's a healing bath salt made for the finest ingredients. They have Epsom salt, Dead Sea salt, rose and lavender essential oils, chamomile, lemongrass, orange peel, rose petals, and hibiscus flowers. When creating your fresh start, it's important to wash away any stagnant energy or heaviness that has built up in your spirit from the past. I've been doing a lot of shadow work, okay, folks? And pulling up stuff from the past. And, you don't always, it's coming up, and I'm shedding stuff and healing and from trauma that I've experienced. Because I've even my recent trauma, man, at the ER where the doctor, I'm still going, the police are still investigating. I am going to the medical board and reported him. I have gone to WebMD where I found out that this is nothing new for him to prey upon the vulnerable. Yeah, he was basically an asshole. So, yeah. Okay, I do not need any more Palo Santo sticks. I got a lot. I'll just put this aside for another day. Or I might stick it in a package for a friend because, I sent some chime candles with a bunch of makeup and beauty products to a friend of mine. Oh, how much is that Palo Santo? It is $8. I think this is the last item in here. Okay, I think this is like Chimes. I love Chimes. I do. Oh, wow. I might change this one out with the one, because I have one already hung in a certain area, and I might replace this. Look at this. Or I might hang this by my window here. It's just beautiful. I love chimes. These chimes, how much? This is the Ganesh Raksha chime. Sorry if I butchered that. It's $15 throughout India and in other parts of the world. Bells are used in ritual worship as a means to summon the presence of a god. This brass bell chimes features 4 powerful Rudraksha beads, highlighting the miniature Ganesh. All right, this is symbolizes divine power and its connection with the physical world. There's just something so peaceful about the sound of these chimes. You know, it's just like, ah. Well, folks, this was my spiritual goodies. Did I get my money's worth, do I think? I suppose, yeah, because I'm not happy. I'm not mad at all. I think I would have liked a little something more because I do pay more, but for this box, but I got some really nice quality items and things that I'm going to use or I can pass on to someone who will use it. And that to me is a win-win. So yes, thank you, Rose. This is a wonderful box. It's definitely just everyday magic and healing tools. And some people really, you know, how do I start an altar or how do I get tools going? Now, let me tell you, subscription boxes will help. Also, Etsy is a great place to find tools and things for your altars and in your everyday life. There's lots there. You don't have to just go to Amazon. I have found some of my favorite stuff is from people from Etsy, and I'll put some of their links down below so you can find them too and see what's out there. Okay, so on that, we're done. I hope you've had a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day. And just remember, this is a time of healing and taking care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. And I love you. See you next time. Bye. On Lunar Blessings. Woo! I'm going to cut that out. No, I'm not. I'm weird. I'll just let you see it all.